from sulfonic acid. Of benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene sulfonic acid. If you add NaOH solution, then it will form salt, sodium benzene sulfonate. Then it is heated with solid NaOH, not aqueous solution. Then you will get sodium phenoxide. This is sodium phenoxide, and this when treated with dilute HCl, you will get phenol. This is number one process from benzene sulfonic acid. Number two, from diazonium salt. From diazonium salt. This is diazonium salt, N-double-bond-NCl, diazonium chloride, or if you take here HSO4, it will be diazonium hydrogen sulfate. It is not stable. It is prepared from aniline. When you will read nitro compounds, you will find from aniline, if you treat as nitrous acid by diazo reaction, you will get diazonium chloride. This diazonium chloride, when boiled with water, that means on hydrolysis, it forms phenols plus HCl plus N2. H2O means H plus OH minus. This H plus adds to chlorine, and OH minus comes here, and N means N2. These are from diazonium salt. Number three, from salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. This is important compound. Here one OH and one COOH is at ortho position. So it is also called orthohydroxybenzoic acid. This is benzoic acid, and at ortho position there is a OH group. It is treated first with NaOH solution. You will get a salt of salicylic acid. Sodium salicylate. Then if you heat with soda lime, you will get sodium phenoxide. This CONa will be D by decarboxylation minus sodium carbonate molecule will be eliminated. Then with dilute HCl, you will get phenol. This is from salicylic acid. Number four, from Grignard reagent. This is very important compound, Grignard reagent. If you take an organometallic compound C6H5MgBr and it is oxidized by air, half of oxygen atom, half of oxygen molecule will be attached. OMgBr. Then on dilute HCl, it will undergo hydrolysis to form phenol plus MgOHBr. This is phenol. So from Grignard reagent we can prepare also phenol. These are the laboratory preparations of phenol. Now there are some industrial preparations also. Industrial preparation. Number one, by Dawes method, Dawes process. You have read in chlorobenzene. If you take chlorobenzene and you heat sodium hydroxide at 300 atmospheric pressure and 625 Kelvin temperature, if you heat, then the chlorine group will be substituted by a nucleophile, by OH group. This is a nucleophilic substitution. OH group is a nucleophile and benzene is a source of nucleophile. There are 6 pi electrons here. So it will not be easily substituted. Hence, high pressure and high temperature is required to substitute chlorine by OH group. Another from cumene. Cumene is a compound. You see, if you take benzene and if you add propene, then they will undergo Friel-Crafts reaction to form isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. This is called cumene. So cumene is prepared from benzene and propene by Friel-Crafts reaction. Now this cumene, if you take this cumene is oxidized in air, then it forms benzene hydroperoxide. This forms cumene hydroperoxide. Then cumene hydroperoxide, if you treat with 10% H2SO4, then it undergo a reaction called hydrolytic rearrangement, hydrolytic, and will form phenol plus acetone. These two are very important compound and are obtained very low cost raw materials. So this is most important method, and all types of phenols are nowadays prepared from cumene as it is easier and also of less cost. These are the preparations, laboratory and industrial preparations of phenol. Next day, chemical properties of phenols will be discussed.